Hello, my name is Michael, and today we are going for a drive. So watch and listen. The time is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Today is Saturday, the weekend. Yes. And outside, the weather is really sunny, is very sunny. So we are going to park our car. We are going to parallel park. Okay? So, what first? We need to drive our car up to here, like that. So, our bumper at the back of our car, that's a bumper, is level with the bumper of the other car. Now we need to look into our mirrors, our rear mirror and our side mirrors, our wing mirrors. We need to check it is safe. Safe. We need to check no one is behind the car, like here. That is not safe. So, no one is behind our car. Now we can reverse. We can drive backwards. First, we need to put our foot on the clutch pedal and put our gear stick into reverse and push on the accelerator to reverse, to drive back, and brake. We need to put our foot on the brake pedal to stop moving. We need to brake when our bonnet, the front of our car, is level with the bumper, so the back of this car, they are now level. So we brake and stop. Now we need to turn our wheel to the left all the way until the wheel stops turning. This is putting our wheel into full lock. Now we need to check our rear mirror and our wing mirrors to be safe. Now reverse again and brake. We need to put our foot on the brake again to stop moving. We need to stop when our car is at 45 degrees, an angle of 45 degrees. Now check our mirrors again and reverse. So we need to put our foot on the accelerator pedal and push slowly. Push very slowly. And our car will drive backwards into the parking space. Wait! Brake! We needed to put our foot on the brake pedal fast. A man walked behind our car, so we needed to stop driving backwards. Not safe. Now the man is gone, we can reverse again. So we need to check our mirrors. Nobody is there. It is safe. So now we reverse again, slowly. Okay, and brake. We need to put our foot on the brake pedal to stop. Our bonnet is now level with the front car's bumper. Nice. Now we need to turn our wheel to the right all the way until the wheel stops turning. Now slowly, we need to put our foot on the accelerator pedal and drive back, reverse, and brake. Foot on the brake. Stop. This turned our car. Now our car is parallel with the curb. So now we need to check our mirrors and put our foot on the clutch pedal and change the gear from reverse to first, to gear number 1, first gear, and very slowly put our foot on the accelerator pedal and drive forward. So when our car is in between, so in the middle of these parked cars, we brake and stop driving. Now we are parked. We parallel parked. So now we push our horn to celebrate. Beep, beep, beep. Yeah. Well done. Thank you for watching and listening, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.